Acubiz One is your expense management app. Acubiz One is flexible, easy to use, and handles all your employee expenses, hours and absence. Best of all, Acubiz One is ready for use anytime, anywhere. Log in to Acubiz One by entering company name, username and password received from your Acubiz administrator. Edit the settings in Acubiz One by choosing Menu and Settings. Acubiz One has a lot of enjoyable features. Substantially, you can configure the app with an individual setup according to your personal preferences. In the menu to the right, you can decide which feature you want to see on your dashboard and in which order. Simply drag the feature to arrange. Below, you will find the dock with shortcuts. Select your favorites by dragging the icons to the dock. You have access to all features, even though it isn't a part of the dock with shortcuts. When you are settled, you have your own customized Acubiz One app. Acubiz One has 5 features within expense management. You can upload your receipts from your cash expense or company credit card by choosing Expenses. Upload the receipt by taking a picture. Then you enter the details. It's easy to do on the fly. Acubiz One also makes it possible for you to register mileage. Mileage can be registered automatically when driving from A to B, or you can enter your mileage manually with our integration with Google Maps. Time registration is a feature in which you can register sickness, vacation, flex, children's sickness, etc. This feature makes it easy for you to manage your hours and absence. Another feature is Allowance. You just enter the details from your trip to settle the expense. All registrations are uploaded automatically to Acubiz EMS. Are you a Fast Track user? The registrations are sent directly for approval. Acubiz One also handles the approval process of employee transactions. If you are an approver, you will see Waiting for Approval at the top of your dashboard. Swipe to see all transactions separately. When you need to approve or decline transactions, choose Waiting for Approval, and a list with transactions will appear. Approve separately or all at once. Another nice detail in Acubiz One is the dashboard. The first thing that appears on your screen after login is the dashboard with a user-friendly interface. Here you will find valuable details based on your registrations. The dashboard provides a graphic overview of your activities. As mentioned, it is up to you to adjust the dashboard according to your preferences. Your unprocessed registrations appear on the top of the dashboard. Swipe to see all of them. Acubiz One shows a chart divided into the 3 features: expenses, mileage, and allowance. You can also see the monthly amount of cash expenses and company credit card transactions. Mileage gives you an overview of your driven kilometres per month, annually, and the average per month. Just swipe to see all of them. Another enjoyable feature is the graphic overview of your hours and absence registrations on the dashboard. At the bottom of your dashboard, you will find another beneficial feature called History. If you do not remember whether you uploaded an expense or not, you always have access to your history. See your history by swiping down or filter your history. If you select expenses, for example, you will enter your history automatically and filter the history to show expenses. Last but not least, your history shows the status of your registrations. If it is marked with a time glass, it is waiting for approval. When it's approved, a check mark will appear. This feature makes sure that you always know where your transaction is in the process. Acubiz One is always ready for use, and with the offline feature to avoid data roaming and slow or non-existent internet connections, you can register your data anytime. Acubiz One is your all-in-one app within expense management. It is time-saving and brings more time for more valuable work. Learn more about Acubiz EMS and our services at acubiz.com.